So now we're going to create another table. So the first thing we do is in Microsoft Access, we click on the create option up here, and then we'll create, as we did the last times, table in design view. So this is the button here that we use. Okay, and we're in the back end of the table. So I'm just going to type in the field names. Okay, so I've typed in the field names. Now we have got to make sure that the data types are correct. So storage area, we're only going to have a few items in this table, and the storage area, we're going to use text as our data type. We're only going to have a few, so there won't be that many, so text should be fine. And we're going to set this as our primary key, because this is going to uniquely identify which particular record in the data table we're talking about. So then temperature average is going to be a number. Okay, and an integer will be fine. Location is going to be short text, that's perfect, and the manager responsible is going to be short text as well. So now we're actually going to enter in the details into the storage table. So we're going to move over to datasheet view. So this button up here that we keep using is particularly useful, and we'll move over to datasheet view, and it asks us to save the table, and we're going to save it as storage table. So type in your name and click on OK. So storage area, we're going to put in dry. Temperature is 12, and we'll fill in the rest of the details. So once you've typed in all the details into the table, then hit the save button. You can see you've given it a name, storage table. You've got all the details in, and we'll take a look at it in design view. We've got all of the details set up in design view. So that's great. Next thing we need to do is we need to connect it in with the other tables. So we're going to close off that table. Always have the tables closed before you do relationships. Click on your database tools. So click in over here, and click on relationships. Now we can see our food stock table here and our suppliers table. Over here on the right hand side, we add in the storage table. So storage table over here, and add selected table. So I'm just going to move this one down here so we can see it. So storage area here, and we've got storage area here. We always, when we're creating relationships, we take it from something that has a primary key on one table through to something that has a non-primary key on another table but has the same name. So click and drag from storage area to storage area. Okay. We've got the storage table, storage area, and we've got this food stock storage area. That's perfect. We're enforcing referential integrity, and we click on create. So now we have our other table connected, and we can sort of lay them out. We can actually just move these around and sort of tidy up this area. And you can see it's worked, the relationship has worked. We've got a one to infinity or one to many relationship between storage area in the storage table and storage area in the food stock table. And then we'll close out of this view. Yeah, we do want to save the changes, and then we'll leave it at that.